Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an Instagram account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to create an Instagram account, first of all, tap open Instagram app on your phone. Here you can see a login page, and at the bottom of the page you can see an option for create a new account. Tap on sign up button. Now here you can either create an account using your phone number or using your email address. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an account using your email address. So tap on email address option. Here type your email address and tap on next. A confirmation code has been sent to your Gmail address. So open Gmail app on your phone. Here on the mail you can see the code of Instagram account. Now type the code from the mail and tap on next. Here you can see option to enter your full name and your password. Now tap on the bar and type your full name and create new password. Here you can see two options, to continue and sync contacts or continue without syncing contacts. Tap on one of the option. Now select your birth date and tap on next. Now select your username. Either you can use the same username or you can modify it according to your choice. And tap on next. You are asked to sign up as the username you are provided. Tap on sign up button. Your account is being registered. I hope this video helped you learn how to create an account on Instagram. Do like the video and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you and enjoy Instagram.